Hi students, in the previous video 17th problem there is a small correction. Please see that one. That is part 3. Which chapter means problems on quadratic equations. In 17th problem, time is equal to distance by speed 600 by x. When speed increased by x plus 20 and the time distance by speed is equal to 600 by x plus 20. I have written x plus 2. If you observe x plus 20, so write 0, correct that one. Are you able to follow? X by 20, and according to the problem also 600 by x minus 600 by x plus 20, not 2. When I continued the problem again I wrote 20 only, did with 20 only, but these two steps I wrote here 2 and 2 by mistake. Please correct that mistake, do that problem, okay? Hi students, 25th problem. Two squares have sides x centimeter and x plus 5 centimeters. The sum of their areas is 697 square centimeters. First bit, express this as an algebraic equation in x. And second bit is solve this equation to find the sides of the squares. Here two types of squares are there. They are not equal squares. One is x and another is x plus 5 as sides. So one square is with x. This is x centimeters. Another square is there with x plus 5. So, and this is the square with x plus 5 centimeters. And the sum of the squares they have given 697 square. This is the square with x centimeters and this is the square of x plus 5. Now come to the problem. Solution: given side of first square is equal to x centimeters. Now area of a square. What is the formula for area of a square? Side into side, or we can call as a square. So x into x, that is equal to x square centimeters. If you want to keep square, x square centimeters. Next, x square centimeters. Next one, side of second square is equal to x plus 5 centimeters. Now formula: area of second square, same formula, side into side. Formula will not change. Side into side, we have learned in the previous classes. Now x plus 5 into x plus 5 square centimeters. Don't forget these units. A plus b into a plus b. This is a plus b whole square formula. X square, are you right? One more step. X plus 5 whole square centimeters. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, because formulas are very important. So now x plus 5 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square, that is equal to x square plus 10x plus 25. Now they are telling sum of the areas of two squares, first square and second square, is equal to 697 square centimeters they give. Now first square area is x square, second area square is x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 697. Now x square plus x square, 2x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 697 is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 10x minus is more, minus 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 6 is remaining, is equal to 0. 2 table is common on the whole. 2 goes 1 time, 2 goes 5 times, and here 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 12 is equal to 0. The first bit we got 5x square, x square plus 5x minus 300 and 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12. So x square plus 5x minus 336 is equal to 0. This is first bit. They told to frame in algebraic quadratic equation we got. Now second bit. They told to solve the equation. We got equation as x square plus 5x minus 336 is equal to 0. Now find the factors. When we multiply, 336 should come. When we simplify, plus 5 should come. In such a way, we have to take. Find factors for 336. 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are. Again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are. Again 2 table. 42 times. Again 2 table. 21 times. Here you got 16. 21 16s. 334. 21 minus 16 is 5. So, in such a way we have to take 21 minus 16. 21 into minus 16. These are the factors which satisfy the given problem. Now, apply x square plus 21x minus 16x minus 336 is equal to 0. From the first two, take x common. X plus 21. From the next two, you take minus 16 common. X plus 21. Now on the whole, x in the from the first two terms, x plus 21 is common and remaining is x minus 16 is equal to 0. X plus 21 is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0 or both zeros, then only we will get answer 0. Now x is equal to minus 21 or x is equal to minus goes that side plus. Always the measurements will be in positive. So the first square side is what we thought, x is equal to 16 centimeters. Next, second square side is x plus 5. So 16 plus 5, 21 centimeters. They told to find the sides. We have found the sides. 27th problem. The lengths of parallel sides of a trapezium are x plus 8 centimeters and 2x plus 3 centimeters. And the distance between them is x plus 4 centimeters. If its area is 590 centimeters square, find the value of x. What is trapezium? First I will draw and show you. This all comes under mensuration chapter. So each and every problem you have to be careful. Are you able to follow? One problem, one variety. I told you before. The concept you should be having. So now A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Are you able to follow? Now listen carefully. The lengths of parallel sides of a trapezium are x plus 8 centimeters. This is x plus 8 centimeters, and this all AB 2x plus 3 centimeters, and the distance between these parallel lines is x plus 4. So this dotted line is x plus 4. X plus 4 centimeters. X plus 4 centimeters. Write clearly. X plus 4 centimeters. And they have given its area. This is all area. This is area. Can you see? This is all area. The area of trapezium. How much they gave, you know? 590 centimeters square. This is all. Now we should know the formula for area of a trapezium. Before area of a square, still before area of a right angle triangle, like that. This is area of a trapezium. Half into A plus B into H. This is A, this is B, and this is H. Parallel sides. A is one side, B is one side. And between the parallel sides, H. Are you able to follow? Now solution given. Let the lengths of parallel sides of a trapezium are x plus 8 centimeters and 2x plus 3 centimeters. Next one, the distance between them means this one, the distance between two parallel sides is x plus 4 centimeters. Again, what is given? Area of a trapezium they have given. Area of a trapezium formula half into A plus B into H. This is formula. But given in the problem, how much we will see? Area of a trapezium formula they gave. Area they have given as 590 centimeters square. Now these two we are going to do. We are going to solve. Now compare both areas. Half into a plus b into h is equal to 590. Half into a is x plus 8, b is 2x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 590. Denominator comes this side, numerator x plus x 3x plus 8 plus 3 11 into x plus 4 is equal to 590 into 2. Now 3x into x, 3x square plus 12x. Next with plus 11x plus 44 is equal to 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So bring everything to one side so that 3x square plus 23x plus 44 minus 1180 is equal to 0. Solve this one carefully. If you solve, how much you will get means 3x square plus 23x, subtract, you will get minus 1136. 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 will be there, 7 minus 4 is 3, 11 as it is equal to 0. Now you have to be careful in finding factors. For which number you have to find factors? 3 into 1136 into 3, 18, 9, 10, 1, here 4. For 3000 minus 3000, because minus is there, minus 3408. When you simplify, 23 should come. In such a way you have to take factors. Are you able to follow? Now we are going to find factors for minus 3000, because minus here, minus 3408. When we multiply, minus 3408 should come. When we simplify, plus 23 should come. In such a way you have to take factors. 2 table goes. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining, 2 7s are here 0, 2 4s are again 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 times, again 2 table, 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 6s are again 2 table, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are, now again 3 table, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are. Here 16, 16 3s, 48. 71 minus 48. Here 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Here 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. When we simplify, 71 minus 48 is equal to 23, plus 23. When we multiply 71 into minus 48, minus 3408. These are the factors. You have to do like that. Now apply 3x square plus 71x minus 48x minus 1136 is equal to 0. You can take common only x. 3x plus 71. Here minus 48 if you take common. Here which table? 16 table you can take common. 16 table if you take. Here 3x minus. How much will come means? Again same 71 comes. Is equal to 0. Minus 16 you are taking common. minus, here plus, here minus will become plus. If you multiply 1671's 1173 will come. What comes in the first bracket? As it is comes in the second bracket. So 3x plus 71 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now 3x plus 71 is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 71, x is equal to minus 71 by 3. Here x is equal to minus 16 goes from left to right, plus 16. Now we are going to take positive value. So x is equal to 16. 29th problem. The perimeter of a rectangular plot of land is 114 meters and its area is 810 square meters. First bit, take the length of plot as x meters. Use the perimeter 114 meters to write the value of the breadth in terms of x. You have to take perimeter. By area also you can find, but what they are asking particularly, that only you have to take. If they did not ask anything, our will and wish, either area or perimeter, but here they used perimeter word. From perimeter we have to find breadth, that too in terms of x. Is it clear? Second bit, use the values of length, breadth and area to write an equation in x. Quadratic equation we have to write now. We have to use these values. What we are going to find the values from perimeter, those values, length, breadth, area, these three. Write an equation in x. And the last third bit, solve equation to find length, breadth of the plot. You know, rectangle means the shape of the rectangle, you know. These are all comes under mensuration. Length A, B, C, D is a rectangular plot. Rectangular plot. Area means the inside area. Perimeter means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This all you know. They are telling to take length as x. They are telling, so x meters. Breadth we have to find from the perimeter. Solution given. Let length of the rectangular plot. Let length of the rectangular plot be x meters. Perimeter they have given. Perimeter of a rectangular plot. How much they have given in the problem? 114 meters. And what is the formula? Perimeter of a rectangular plot. Perimeter of a rectangular plot. Area of a rectangular plot. Formula 2 into L plus B. What is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Now we are going to compare both perimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. They have given 114. 2 into length is x. We are going to find breadth is equal to 114. X plus B is equal to 114 by 2. 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 1 remaining 7, 14. 7s are 14. So x plus B is equal to 57. B is equal to 57 minus x meters. So now we got breadth in terms of x. Are you able to follow? Now they have given area of a rectangular plot. Area of a rectangular plot. How much they give? Area of a rectangular plot they have given as 810 square meters or meters square, both mean same only. And we know the formula for area of a rectangular plot. These all formulas you have to learn and by heart and keep in mind. You have to remember all this. So please read formulas. Area of a rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth. We can write as L into B. LB. L into B. LB. Now we are going to frame the equation. First I will frame the equation. LB is equal to 810. Both are areas. We are comparing. L means we thought x. Breadth just now we got as 57 minus x is equal to 810. Now multiply 57x minus x square is equal to 810. Take from left to right. So x square minus 57x plus 810 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we got. Now we got a quadratic equation shape. When we multiply, 810 should come. When we simplify, minus 57 should come. In such a way we have to take factors. 810, 2 table, 2 4s are 8. In 1 it will not go 0 times. Then 10, 2 5s are 10. Again 2 table will not go this time because last 5 is there. 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5. Now 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 2 remaining 21, 7s are. Here 57, here 27, there is some relation. 2 5s 10, 10 is 30, 30 and 27. How much should come? 57. So both negative, minus 57, both are same signs means. So minus 30 minus 27, here minus 30 into minus 27, minus into minus plus 37s are 810, minus 30 minus 27 is minus 57. Finding factors is one thing, applying signs is another thing. Keep in mind. So apply carefully. X square minus 30x minus 27x plus 810 is equal to 0. From the first two you take x common, x minus 30. From the next two you take minus 27 common. X opposite sign minus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 30 into x minus 27 is equal to 0. X minus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 27 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 30, minus goes that side, becomes plus, and here x is equal to 27. They told to find what? X. Now x we got as 30, both are positives. So which one will be length and which one will be breadth means the more will be length always. Longest side is length. So length is equal to 30 meters and breadth will be 27. Breadth is equal to 27 meters. Otherwise we thought breadth as 57 minus x. If you substitute 57 minus 30, 27 only will come. Where we took that one. Let b is equal to, you got 57 minus x, 57 minus 30, that is equal to 27. Are you able to follow? First problem, in that first bit I am doing. Rupees 6,400 were divided equally among x persons. How many persons we don't know. had this money been divided among equally among, again equally only, equally among x plus 14%. Before x persons are there, now 14 persons joined, the amount will decrease. When the denominator increases, the portion decreases. I told you, one apple 3 eats, little size will increase. One apple 10 eats, the portion decreases. So which one is big and which one is small, you have to be understanding. The denominator which is less number, that will be the biggest number, biggest portion. Next, each would have got rupees 28 less. Why 28 less, rupees 28? 14 persons have joined. That's why 28 rupees less they will get. Find the value of x. Solution given. Total amount of money. Total amount of money. How much? Is equal to rupees 6,400. Number of persons to be divided equally. Divided equally is equal to x. Now each receives or each receives the amount 6,400 by x if we divide. Next, the same total amount of money. Now the number of persons are increasing. The number of persons to be divided equally among x plus 14, among x plus 14 persons, number of persons. Now each person gets is equal to again 6,400 by x plus 14. Now how much is the difference? So 28 less. Difference how much? Difference in amount. Difference in amount is rupees 28 less. Now we have to find the value of x. Now according to the problem, 6,400 by x minus 6,400 by x plus 14. How much difference came? Is 28 rupees difference came. Now take 6,400 common. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 14 is equal to 28. Now take LCM. X into x plus 14. Here x plus 14, one time is x plus 14 only, minus x is equal to 28 by 6,400. Numerator comes to denominator. Plus x minus x cancel. 14 by x into x plus 14. Or otherwise we will multiply. Why to write again the same? X square plus 14x. X into x. X square. X into plus 14x. 14x is equal to, here simplification. 4 sevens are 28. 4 ones are 4. 2 remaining. 4 6 are 24. 0 0. Now 7 by 6. 1,600. Again 7 table is common. 7 goes here 2 times. 7 goes here 1 time. Now do cross multiplication. How much you got here means 2 by x square plus 14x is equal to 1 by 1600. Cross multiplication. X square plus 14x is equal to 3200. Now x square plus 14x minus 3200 is equal to 0. Now we got quadratic equation shape. Now find factors. When we simplify, minus 3200 should come. When we simplify, plus 14 should come. In such a way you have to take factors. So 2 table goes 1600 times. Again 2 table goes 800 times. Again 2 table goes 400 times. Again 2 table goes 200 times. Again 2 table goes 100 times. 2 table goes 50 times. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 16 2 32, 32 to 64. 64 minus 50 is 14. You have, while doing itself, in mind you have to see this 14 should come. Where 14 comes you have to see. So 64 minus 50 is equal to 64 into minus 50. These are the factors for minus 3200. So x square plus 64x minus 50x minus 3200 is equal to 0. From the first two you are taking x common, x plus 64, and from the next two minus 50 you are taking common, x plus 64 is equal to 0. X plus 64 into x minus 50 is equal to 0. X plus 64 is equal to 0 or x minus 50 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 64 and here x is equal to 50. So positive value we will take. Therefore x is equal to 50. Write that word. Always be positive.